Tan e cana tick-tock. Tom in Maglústan e cana tick-tock. Dave, if you're wondering what the hell. If you haven't seen exercise 1, go back and look at it. We looked at pitch and we looked at high pitch being gantry, middle pitch being suntry, low pitch being gultry, and their general associations with those. High pitch being happy, energizing music, suntry soothing, and gultry being sad, sorrowful, lower music. Now, you just heard me murdering 2 lines, okay? The first was upbeat, happy, just la 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 la. The second was exactly the same air at exactly the same pitch, but it was melancholy, reflective, and the only real difference between the two is the subject of today's exercise, rhythm. You can alter the effect of any pitch and any sound by changing its rhythm. Different sounds have been proven to have a different effect on the brain. So I chose to do this in a higher pitch because higher pitched music has been shown to energize the brain. In magical terms, higher pitched music is often where we end up. So we often start low, move through the middle ground, and often, if it's going to be an active working, you end up on the higher register. But you just saw there how changing the rhythm of what we're doing can alter the effect of that higher register. The second one was not energizing. The second one, if you slow down high melodies, high-pitched melodies, you get what you find in Irish traditional music, airs, laments, and so on. So it is really important to remember that the rhythm will affect the meaning of what you are creating. Now, in magical terms, we often use words alongside the music to try and convey our will or our intent. Sometimes we're not even using music, we're just using the words. Writing down words, no matter how powerful, isn't enough. Writing music, no matter how powerfully expressed, isn't enough. If the rhythm is at odds with the end result that you're looking for. So in today's exercise, I want you to take what you did yesterday, take the low note, the middle note, and then the high note, and alter the rhythm. Make low fast sounds, then low slow sounds. Middle fast, middle slow, then vary them. And the same with the high register. And again, we're talking about doing this a couple of minutes a day. Do incorporate yesterday's exercise. This is part of the same idea. Just keep doing it a few times over and over every day. Consistency is key. But during your day, keep an ear out. Listen for the rhythm of what people are saying to you when people are speaking to you. Listen to the rhythm of the noises around you, not just the pitch. Do take note of that as well, but listen to the rhythm. And again, we're asking the same questions. How does this make me feel? What effect does it have on me? Starting points, it's a very basic step, but it really will give you a good foundation. Eventually, you want to be able to hear these things without conscious thought. It's just second nature. It starts here. Okay? I have made an idiot of myself for you again today for your education. So please get out there, try this. And if you're brave enough, put it up and tag me. But let us know how it's going. Okay? Bye.